So, let's say you're stranded and stuck in the middle of Uzbekistan. And this guy comes up to you and he's like, and then you're like, ¿qué? These are the 10 most important verbs to know in another language. Now, I'm not going to teach you these words in Uzbek. I mean, I don't know how to speak Uzbek. But what I am going to show you are the 10 most important verbs to seek out in a Language 101 book or an X language survival guide kind of thing, so that you can easily get out of any one of these situations by saying you simply don't understand or that you're hungry in hopes that the guy will give you food. Anyway, to be. I don't think this needs much of an explanation. Like, how do you explain the word that explains all words and has no synonyms below it? I know Russian doesn't use the verb to be, but that's their problem. To want or to need. With either one of these, you can ask indirect questions and make it easier to find food, water, and shelter. So let's say you're stuck in the middle of Tokyo for some reason, and you want to go order some ramen. So you'll whip out Google Translate, just like I did right now for this video. And you're like, watashi wa taberu tsu arimasu. And then the guy you spoke to is probably like, because what Google Translate said was probably completely wrong because Google Translate cannot translate very well. So then you switch I need to eat to I want to eat. What does that come out to be? Tabetai. Huh, that looks a lot easier to pronounce. Let's try that. And then the guy's like, hi. And just to let y'all know, I don't speak Japanese. I literally looked up this stuff on Google Translate 5 minutes ago, so don't look at this as an actual guide to getting through Japan. To go. This kind of falls into the same category as to be. Give me a definition of the word to go without using the word to go. With this word, you can explain locations, i.e., places you travel to or places you visit throughout the day, and also talk about general activities that happen throughout the day, like going to school, going to the store, or going to eat. Now, I know the third example included another verb in order to convey the full meaning, but I think you can see the importance and essentialness of the verb to go. Now, I think these three verbs are the absolute most important in terms of situations and general basic speech. Part 2 is coming soon, where I'll give you the next few verbs on this list. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.